First off, we need to get our supplies together. A Valentine is just not something you throw together. It takes some preparation and planning and making sure that you have the right tools and instruments to make sure you create the ultimate card of romance. For a Valentine's Day card, we're going to be cutting things up and sticking them back together again in our really neat shapes. That means we're going to need a good pair of scissors and also some other adhesives, either in the form of tape, glue, and this glue can be like squeeze it out of the container on, or it can be like more of like a traditional glue stick, so for a little bit more control. It's really up to your preference on what you want to use for adhesive. In addition, we need to have a good straight edge, aka a ruler. This can be as big as a yardstick, but our Valentine's Day card is going to be about 10 inches wide today, so you're going to want to at least have that much measurement to have like some nice straight lines. In addition, you're going to need paper to make your Valentine's Day card. And paper suggestions I have are pink and red, and I will cover pros and cons to both later on. In addition, have you ever heard of doilies? Doilies are this nice kind of frill shapes which can be used to frame and otherwise border your Valentine's Day card. They frequently come in white and red or pink. Last but not least, we're going to be using a personal photograph of you and your loved one, your beloved here, which we're also going to frame and make a centerpiece for our card.